Welcome to the Christian world, Calista. Hindi ka naman.
Hi.
Sana maging healthy ka paglalaki, mabait, tas always, God-fearing. Lagi si Lord mauna, okay?
Underneath the rug by the door, thinking any minute I could hear the sound of the clock go on.
Lumaki siya ng ayos. At syempre, maging healthy tulad ng message ng tatay niya. At ayun, sumunod sa amin. Syempre, andun dadating sa stage na magiging pasaway. Pero alam kong magiging mabuting anak siya. Okay?
How about that? You and me, lots of love and tiny things. All we have is all I need. All the love and tiny.
Welcome to the Christian World, Calista. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Panginoon, malusog at maging masunuring bata. Yun lang.
Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life. There ain't no doubt. I just wanna shout it out.
Hi Calista, welcome to the Christian world. May you grow up to be a loving, kind, and beautiful person. Welcome to the Christian world. Wish namin na maging mabuti kang bata. Sundin mo si mami at daddy mo. At lagi ka namin ipagpe-pray. And we're looking forward to meet you someday pag medyo malaki ka na talaga.
Yes, baby Calista, we love you!
Graduation underneath these flashing lights.
From Granny, I pray that you will grow up in wisdom and strength. Be courageous. Always remember that your mom and dad and your family member and every family members of yours and your mama's friends will always be with you in every step of the way. Just keep on smiling.
Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about.
Sabi po sa awit 127, verse 3a, narito ang mga anak ay mana mula sa Panginoon. Ang salitang mana ay nangulang isang bagay na pinagkatiwala sa atin, isang mahalagang bagay na hindi tunay na sa atin, kung hindi ibinigay para sa isang layunin. Ang batang ito po, si Calista, hindi aksidente lamang. Ang batang ito hindi lang bunga ng pagsisikap ng tao. Ang batang ito hindi kundi ang isang batang ito isang banal na pagpapal mula sa Diyos.
Everything is going up. Yeah, everyone's invited and it's no surprise that we'll go till the night is done. Yeah, now watch me turn it up real loud. Confetti in the sky never come down. Right here, right now, everybody now. Hands up to the sky. Look at us now.
Alam ko nagtutulungan tayo para alagaan si Calista. Habaan mo lang yung pasensya mo sa akin at sabi Nina, nandito lang kami para suportahan ka lagi. I love you.
Anong problema at anong turmoils tatapon sa atin ng buhay, lahat tayo, isang team. So huwag mong ever isipin na hindi kita kakampi, okay? I love you.
Love you too.
Okay, ulit.